Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your camera modes on your camera app. So on your S25 Ultra, you have a camera mode here at the bottom, where it basically shows you different modes like portrait, photo, video, and you have more. Let's say you want to add the other modes here to your camera shortcut here at the bottom. Then let me show you how to do this. So here in camera mode, you want to go ahead and tap on more. Now to edit the layout of these modes, go ahead and tap on edit at the top right. And now you want to go ahead and drag and rearrange anything you like here. So let's say you like portrait video and you want to put it in the shortcut bar here at the bottom. Go ahead and drag that and just go ahead and drag it and put it to the bottom here. Let's say you use a lot of pro videos. Go ahead and drag that as well and put it here. Now let's say for example, you don't use the normal portrait photo mode. You can go ahead and drag it back here and go ahead and add other things to that shortcut bar. You can also go ahead and rearrange these buttons to however you like. Unfortunately, photo and video will stay there as default. So there you go guys, that is how to customize your camera mode on your camera app using your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.